This is our assignment. So the graph using intercepts. If you look back at your notes from yesterday, we talked about the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So whenever you're writing your x-intercept, y-intercept, you can just write the number or you can write it as a coordinate pair. So it's just very similar to those examples right there for 1 through 3. For 4, 5, and 6, you're just finding your x and y-intercept. So same thing as we did in our notes where we wrote x-intercept, y-intercept. For each one of the problems, you're going to do that also. To find your x-intercept, it's when y is equal to 0, similar to this. So you'll plug in a 0 for y, solve for x, and you'll have x equals a number. Your y-intercept, you're going to plug in a 0 for x and solve for y. You'll do that on 4, 5, and 6. 7 and 8, you'll find your x-intercept and your y-intercept, and then you will graph them. So just remember, x-intercept or x-axis is this one, and y-axis is this one, so don't forget that. So you'll do x-intercept, y-intercept for 7 and 8, and then plot them as points and graph them. Examples to look back for help would be these. For the assignment on the back, it says graph the linear equation that has the given slope and goes through the point. So you're first going to plot the point. Remember, a point is x comma y. In order to graph a point, you're going to start at your origin and then walk before you crawl. Or, no, walk before you climb. Sorry, I got confused. It was something with a C. Climb. So let's say I want to plot one of these points. 2, 2. That means you're going to walk 2 and then climb 2. 0, 5. You're going to walk 0, climb 5. So let's go ahead and do number 4 together. The point 0, 5. Everybody should be looking at this problem right here.
So walk X and climb Y.
Yes. So yeah, so it's just up 5. And then your slope, then you're going to count rise over run for another point. And you'll keep on counting more and more, rise over run, till you get as many points as you can to graph and make a line. So if my slope is 2 over 3, it's a positive, so that means I'm going to go up 2, right 3. But I can't go up 2, right 3. So what is the complete opposite of up and right? Down 2, left 3. Then do it again. Down 2, left 3. So we have 3 good points. So connect them to make a line. So you're going to do that on all of these. The only thing that might kind of trip you up is undefined slope. What is the undefined slope going to be? Vertical line, up and down. Think back to slope, dude. What is a 0 slope going to be?
Left to right.
Yep. Horizontal line. So that should help you with those two. So pay attention to a positive and negative. If this is a negative slope, it's going to go down and right, down and right. If this is just 4, what is 4 over for that slope? 4 over what? 1. Mm-hmm. All right, so the rest of this class time, you'll be just working